You were unlike you. It was from stress. You look good in this sweater. But I don't like this color. I love you so much. I'm glad you like it. I don't think I can do it. I doubt that. How long do I have to wait? It takes some time. I'm scared. Take it easy. It's urgent. Don't hurry me. He looks haggard. I didn't have any lunch. I'm feeling all right. Happy to hear that. You can't do that. Then what should I do? You hurt me. I didn't mean it. I have no idea. It doesn't make sense. This picture came out well. Let me see it. Let's go for a walk. Sounds good. I don't need your help. I don't get it. I tell him for you. You don't have to. I let him know that. Don't do that. Is that clear? I still don't understand it. Do as I tell you. Yes, I will. We are awfully sorry. No problem. You must be careful. Don't worry about me. Get him some coffee. That's your job. Put on your coat. It's not cold at all. She's a good cook. I know. Stand still. I need to go to the bathroom. Is that true? How many times I have to tell you? How many times do I have to tell you? We'll see about this. Can I believe you? She's smarter than you. I admit that. What are you going to do? How about drink? I need some money. What for? How is he? Something's wrong with him. Stay inside. I'm bored. How do you know? Somebody told me. Don't waste time. Trust me. Don't go near him. What makes you say that? Are you alright? I have stomach ache. It's time for medicine. I forgot to bring it. She's so nasty. I'm used to it. I won't be long. I will be waiting. Where did you go to school? The same school as you. I'm not married. I didn't ask you. See you in an hour. Hold a minute. We need to accept his offer. Do you really think so? He's asleep. Can you come out then? I don't smoke. You gave up smoking? I will never see you. I will never see you again. Don't talk like that. How can you tell? Just a hunch. What's so interesting? He's so intelligent, isn't he? Sorry I'm late. Overslept again. Be careful. Don't wait up for me. Think about it. Why should I? Sorry I'm late. I was a little early. You want to do it alone? If you don't mind. You are quiet today. I have nothing to say. You can keep that. Are you serious? I'm finished with it. So can I borrow it from you? What do you see in him? He's very intelligent. It looks so difficult. It's not that hard. Does that happen a lot? More than you think. Believe me, I know you're lying to me. What should I do? You don't have a choice. I'm so tired. Get some sleep. What do you do that for? Are you mad at me? I can't help it. I understand. I just want to talk. Sorry, I have no time. May I ask what happened? I will explain later. I will explain later. I didn't do it on purpose. You said that already. You look a little nervous. No, not at all. It was fun. I should have been there. You know him? Of him. It's not his fault. I know they broke up. I'm not surprised. You asked too many questions. I was just curious. Are you feeling okay? I'm feeling better. Can I ask a question? Feel free to ask. Do you want me to handle this? You are good at it. They are using drugs. Who told you that? Are you listening to me? Sorry, I'll call you back later. Is something wrong? No, everything's okay. I can't imagine that. Me neither. He got fired for it. I've never heard about it. I never heard of it. What makes you say that? It's a long story. I failed the test again. You are not alone. This is serious. I don't think so. I'll meet you there. Be on time. Check it out every other day. I will keep that in mind. It takes a while. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for your call. Just be patient. How long? It's so unfair, but you should accept it. It wasn't your fault. Yes, it was. You are not wearing makeup. I don't wear makeup. I refused his offer. I'm so proud of you. They want to work with me. It's a good opportunity. Are you seeing anybody? It shows. Don't ask me why. Why not? Nothing will happen. How can you be so sure? How can you be so sure? I'm not just saying it. So what do you want me to do? You can't do this to me. What do I do to you? Nothing changes. I like hearing that. Let me call you back. Okay, talk to you later.